All right, today I want to show you this cool microphone system. Now this is wireless. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. Not only that, includes each device, each transmitter, right? It has a built-in microphone, or you can use the external microphone. And by the way, it comes with that as well too. And one receiver, you charge this with USB. So perfect to connect right into your telephone, perfect to connect right to your camera, or right into your mixer. I'll show you this right now. All right, so how we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. What I love so much about this one is it's small. You can recharge this with USB. And again, that's built-in microphone. It allows you to use, especially for like an interview, co-host, connected right to your camera, or connected right to your telephone. So you can create a nice video with your cell phone and have a great audio, because now I have a microphone with me, not 3 or 5 feet away from the camera, and it will sound that you will hear the whole ambient sound. This becomes more personal. I'll show you this right now. All right, to save some time, I just took it out of the bag. So first comes with this cool carrying case. As you see here, we have 2 transmitter and a receiver, 2 microphones. This is what they call it, the decat for your win. This to hook up your microphone. Cable, right? You can charge 3 USB Type-C and 1 USB Type-A to charge 3 in the same time. This one is for your camera, all right, and this one is for your cell phone. Yes, let me see. This is for your cell phone. Yes, and this one is for your cell phone. Yes, 4 connector. This is perfect for your cell phone. If you have a Lightning port or C port, you can always get an adapter, right, for your microphone. We have that. The full instructions. How to use it. You charge this with USB. I'm going to take let's get the receiver first. So this one is the receiver. Pretty simple here, A and B, right? And it has the reset button. Right on the side, we charge it, USB Type-C. Let's turn it on. By the way, you can set this in mono or stereo. See, mono or stereo. Let's put up a second to boot up. And right there, it's mono, and we can hit the stereo. We see the battery level, and also A, the decibels, and also as well B. So you can change from here, A and B, you can bring it up the decibels. You can go from 0 all the way to plus 15, right? Or you can use your mixer to control that value. So that's my receiver. Transmitter, I'm going to have one transmitter, both at the same Type-C to charge, microphone input, mute. Let me turn it on. You have to hold it for about 3 seconds. It will come on in a second. Oh, I just shut it off. Let's go back again. So it's coming on. It will synchronize there. You can press once over here, and automatically it goes to a mute. It has the battery level right over there, right from here, and we can synchronize with synchronize automatic, and it has the cutoff filter. When you press the cutoff, you're gonna see a little line in the top what is a cutoff. And I'm gonna go and let's see, we can show you that. I'm going to turn it on. It's on here right now. And you can see automatically over there when I'm talking here, it shows that. Why? Because it has a microphone right in the top. All right, and you can see that. It's pretty simple. Or I can turn on the cutoff. I can mute it from here. Simple as that. Let me go, and I'm going to connect it so you guys can hear this up. So let's use something different. To make it easy, I'm going to go into another transmitter to a transmitter, but I want you guys here. So we got the transmitter here. So this is the receiver. All right, so I'm going to output, and by the way, headphones and output. So right there. All right, so what I'm just did now, I just plug it in. All right, so this is the transmitter, receiver, sorry. So as you see here, I have the receiver, and I can use this as just a microphone. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just plug my microphone. This will sound much better. Go on this side. Okay, and now I just connect this microphone. So it's a perfect and nice, super light. By the way, if you want to use the internal microphone, we just will plug in right over here, and that's it. That will be the way to do it. Or just use a microphone. And if you want to hear the original microphone. I just plug the external. Let me plug here. And yes, and this one is the one. Now this one catch a little bit more than ambient sound. Okay, this is an omnidirectional microphone. Well, but the sound is super great. There's a lot of background noise on computer and all that. But this is pretty much pretty powerful mic, and most likely you will use it something this way. All right, guys. So now you know, and to grab one of these devices, right? Just check the link below. All right. See you next time.